Hi, shout out everyone! Cheers nga pala tayo. Dito tayo sa bird park ngayon. Ayan, kakarating lang namin. Ayan guys, ang dami palang mga shop din. May coffee house pa.
Coffee. Old Chunky.
Tsaka
With
nakagandahan dyan guys. May mga shop na
bird
kaya din naman. Yung
paradise.
mga gusto natin puntahan nandyan.
Tatlo pong mga bungali.
Sakaling pupunta kayo ng bird park.
May Starbucks dito,
din.
guys.
Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Mga mahilig sa kape. Kape-kape kayo dyan. Di ba?
Ganda dito. Oh.
Ano mo,
May
ganda.
mga palaruan.
Mga palaruan pa ng mga bata. Hindi pa yan tapos, pero one day matatapos din yan. Yan yung entrance mo. Ang ganda kita dyan. Yung maganda. Yan yung gate. Papunta sa loob. Diyan kami papasok. Ayan guys. Enjoy watching muna kayo ha.
Ang daming tao, guys. Ayan yung sa loob. Yan pala yung entrance, guys. Saan ang laki? Uy, ano yun?
Penguin. Last time the penguin also there. 我们跟以前一样。
It's a penguin.
记得吗？记得吗？
Hi guys. Ganda lang. Tingnan nyo guys.
Oh, malaki na yung ano ng penguin. See the penguin. Yeah, hello. Yeah, the penguin. Oh. Swimming.
你看，看了。
Hello. The penguins. Hi, Sujan here. Sujan here. Penguin scared.
Let's go.
Making a splash.
They can be seen
The
in
surf.
space.
Oh.
While the chicks of most penguin species mature over just one spring, Cape penguin chicks spend most of their lives at sea. But when winter ends, they come to land to prepare for their
So
some
cute.
predators are undeterred. Winter is the harshest season of all. As food gets harder to
Ay,
find,
has to.
both parents remain at sea to hunt.
Hi guys. Ang daming penguin. Penguin guys. Uy. Swimming si penguin. Ayan. Uy, bumalik. Enjoy na enjoy sila. Hello! Ang cute. Uy. Ay, ang cute niya. Bata! Guys, ito yung penguin. Uy, hindi siya maano. Ah, see? Hello, Sansu. They say that. Oh, hello. Hi. ito? Uy, ano yun?
And it's a seagull. How did that thing got here? Why that guy like popularity so much?
Yeah. Maybe they're enjoying, a lot of people watching them. They're playing
They're
too.
not shy.
Huh?